In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very simple homemade rosemary spray for your hair. You have to just spray it on your hair and you'll be amazed by the results. It's going to add shine, it's going to add that interesting natural smell to your hair. It is going to be pleasant, it is going to make your hair smoother and shinier, and yes, it can help in the growth of hair also. So now, let's directly jump onto the ingredients. First is, of course, it's going to be rosemary. If you'll be using rosemary leaves, then you should be using half a cup of rosemary leaves. If you'll be using dried rosemary, then it should be 2 tablespoons of rosemary. Second ingredient is going to be fenugreek seeds. You have to use 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. The third ingredient is black seeds, also called black cumin seeds, and we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of black seeds. Then we'll be adding 5 to 6 cloves. Crush them a bit and then add them. Plus, we'll be using 5 to 6 seeds of black pepper as well. Crush them a bit and then add. The last ingredient is going to be ginger. Just take 1 inch of ginger, grate it, and add it. Now, all these ingredients should be added to 1 liter of water. Boil this mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes with the lid open, letting the water evaporate. After 10 to 15 minutes, turn off the heat and let this mixture sit for about 8 to 10 hours. You can prepare this mixture at night, boil it for 10 to 15 minutes, and let it sit overnight. In the morning, filter it. After filtering, put it in a spray bottle, and that's it, your spray is ready. This spray can be used for 3 days. Since it's water-based, we won't keep it for long, so store it in the refrigerator. Now, how to apply it? Just spray it all over your hair. You can spray on the roots of your hair as well, just a light spray. You'll be amazed by the smell, the aroma of the cloves, and the herbs we've added. Yes, it's going to give lots of benefits to your hair and scalp. Even if you have dandruff, try it out. Maybe this will be helpful. But always remember, dandruff is also connected to your gut health, so your gut should be healthy. You shouldn't be suffering from gas, bloating, or digestion issues. If you eat on time, it will help. I'm not saying to stay hungry, just eat on time, and this is going to benefit you. After using this spray, you don't need to wash your hair. You can spray it and you're ready to go. While filtering, use cheesecloth or a sieve so that you get a pure solution without any particles, which makes spraying easier. Try out this wonderful homemade. Many people have tried it and have seen good results, which is why I'm sharing it with you. Always remember, if you are suffering from severe hair fall, then only this homemade or any other homemade won't help alone. What's going to help is maintaining a good level of vitamin D3, iron, ferritin, and hemoglobin in your body. Hair fall can also happen due to underlying medical conditions like hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, or hormonal imbalances like PCOD or PCOS. You need to address those issues as well in order to see the best effects. This homemade works best if you don't have underlying medical conditions. I hope you understand this. I don't want to fool you by saying, oh, this is a magical remedy, just try it, and your hair will grow overnight. No, that's not going to happen. Let's be practical. But yes, you should give it a try. It's an awesome remedy if you don't have these issues, and it will help with healthy hair growth and keep your scalp healthy. I hope today's video was helpful for you. See you in the next video with a big smile. Until then, smile more, stay happy, and stay healthy.